So hello everyone, I am Lakshman. Once again I welcome you all to our new blog. So friend, now I am in a small village in the state of Odisha in India. Today I am going to my village after a long time. I will reach my village very soon and a friend of mine is also coming to pick me up. So in today's vlog I will show you my village, like how are the houses in our village, how are the roads, how is the life of the people, how do they eat, how do they live, where do they shop, everything. My family member will see me after a long time, so we will also see what kind of reaction they have after seeing me. So if you have visited to our channel for the first time, then you can also subscribe by liking and sharing the video, because on our channel we keep on posting blog about many unknown things of India, which will not only entertain you but will also increase your knowledge. So let's start today's blog from here. So you can see that my friend Vikas has also come and his name is Vikas. Whenever I come to my village, Vikas come to pick me up. After a long time, Vikas also saw me and he become happy after seeing me. So now we will go to Binka to buy some stuff. Binka is a small town. Whatever we need, we buy in Binka only. Our school and college is in Binka, so we used to come to Binka to study. I asked my friend Vikas how he felt after seeing me after a long time. Vikas said I am feeling good. In fact, his laugh held. So we reached a printing shop. Here we had to get Vikas' sister's wedding card. I used to tell him when his sister's wedding should come, but while we were watching, the day of his sister's wedding come and we did not even know. You can see that is a wedding invitation card. This type of invitation card are printed in India. After that, we went to a grocery store like a mall. We have to buy chocolates here. I have two sisters and two nieces at home, so whenever I go to home, I buy chocolates for them. This type of shop has opened for the first time in our city, so we really enjoying shopping here. After roaming around in the shop for some time, we found chocolate and hence bought 4 chocolate for 4 people. I did not have cash, so I sent money through PhonePe. You know, now in India, mostly everywhere it is done through PhonePe. There was air conditioning inside the shop, so it felt very comfortable. But when we come out of the shop, suddenly we felt very hot. After that, we went to a fruit shop to buy some fruits. You can see that some people in India have set up fruit shop like this. You know that fruit is very expensive in our country, due to which we buy fruit occasionally. So friends, you can see this is my bike and I am going to ride it after a long time. I have bought this bike after a lot of care. I was very happy thinking that I will ride it after a long time. So friends, there is some such way to go to our village. Whatever we show through this blog will be real and whatever we say will be true. So please stay connected till the end and enjoy seeing a real village. So all my friends are welcome to my small village. This is my village Gulunda. Here you can see many new things like narrow streets, small house, big house and many more. In my village, most people cook food on wood fire stove. Just look at how many tree branches they carry in a tractor. In our place, tractor trucks are used to carry large items. So friends, finally I have reached home and I am very happy. I am also feeling the same kind of happiness that you feel when you are staying outside somewhere and come home after 3 to 4 months. You can see this is the route to reach my house. This is my niece Preeti and this is her sister Shruti. After giving a chocolate to both of them, they both were very happy. And this is my sister Molika. See how happy he is on seeing me. I am also very happy to see him. And this is my mother. I am taking her blessing by touching her feet. And this is my younger sister Sosmita who is in my house. So currently I am in my own house, and my house is something like this, where currently my sister and my mother live. After that I asked my sister Molika, did you remember me when I not at home or not? Then Molika said that I used to miss you a lot. In this way I asked everyone by one. When everyone said that they keep remembering me, I felt very happy. Maybe fish has been cooked in our house today from where I am getting the aroma of fish curry. So I asked my mother to clear my doubt. He said that today I have cooked fish with love and made lot of stuffed rice cake. Hurry up and take bath. You know, my mother make very tasty fish curry. So friends, as soon as I heard my mother talking, I quickly took a bath and come home. Let us see what my mother has prepared for me, and then we will eat with peace. So you can see my mother has already served the food. So today meals consist of rice, fish curry, lot of stuffed rice cake and grains. Today I am very happy because after a long time I am eating home cooked food prepared by my mother. So seeing so many delicious foods, I feel like eating them. So I will eat them quickly and then we will continue the video. So after having food and taking some rest, we set out for the small town of Binka. I have two friends with me and we also have two nephews. Whenever we come home, we go to Binka in the evening and enjoy. We eat and drink something, buy something and then come back home. So let's see what happens next. Our nephews are very happy because today they are going to get a lot of things to eat. Whenever we come home, we keep them fed. So after reaching Binka, we stopped at an ATM to withdraw cash. The ATM in India is something like this. After that, we go straight to a clothes store because my friend Vikas need to buy something. So friends, we also reach a small cloth shop called Binka. So see what is happening here in natural sound and enjoy it.
Finally, gini una sad no. Aire jabi.
ಎಂತ ಕರೋದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ಕೋ তোমার উপরে চলো উপরে দেখো তোমার কইলা কথা কইলা এন্ডা করব দেখালা লাগে এন্ডা করব
Finally, আর থরে উপর কি যাই পড়ি তো এটা কপ্তা দোকান এটা দেখো যাবে Finally,
Sabari ko. Teka. Kina na diso. Yari dila ha.
দেখো ঘিনু জন ফাইনালি ফাইনালি ঘিনু জন এটা পছরল পাতলা আর খাবো দেখি না তো ফাইনালি এটা ঘিনু দেখো शॉपिंग करवार सब सरी गला आयो ये ना पैसा देवार अछि एनो दे हटा दिया
Ultimately, my friend bought a blanket and paid the money at the counter and left. So now we have come to a fast food place where we are going to eat a lot of food, but it is very crowded here, so we will have to wait a bit. You can see that is a barber shop. I come here whenever I want to get my hair or beard cut. Right now my face look like this. Let's see how it look after shaving my beard. So friends, here I am. I used to look good early, but now I don't look good. I have come to know that is it not possible for every devoted to look handsome. So here you can see my nephew and my friends were waiting for me with food. So we happily eat a lot of food because we are getting this type of food after a long time. While coming, I had also brought something my sister after coming home and my sister become happy. So friends, this was today vlog. Thank you for staying connected till the end of the video. If you like today vlogs, then do like, share and subscribe. You will meet me very soon on a new vlog. Till then, tata, bye bye.